What's good, y'all? Ghost 58 back. As y'all can see, we all on the road. It is early morning. Today I'm going to Autotech pit stop again real quick. I want to check something out with the car. It's currently 9:56. My appointment is for 10, but I did chat with the boys then. So they know I'm running late. Feel me? This is a regular thing at this point on the channel, man. Every video I'm saying I'm late, but I'm probably gonna get there. My appointment was for 10. I'm probably gonna get there at like 10:20. I don't know. I do gotta go to the freeway, so I know I'm gonna cut the time down a little bit, which I already did some. But I'm gonna pick y'all boys up in a second. Probably when I get on the freeway, give y'all a little POV and things of that nature. Nah, I had to pick y'all up real quick. Yo, for anybody that live in the towns, bro. For anybody that live in the towns, yo, can we all agree? The streets over here on Atlantic and Penn, like before you reach here, after you get out that little bridge thingy or whatever, behind me, yo, these roads gotta be some of the worst roads. Like, bro, New York gotta do better, my nigga. Like, these roads is crazy. Then niggas want niggas to get alignments every year and shit because they're fucking up our V's with they roads, my nigga. Ain't gonna lie, sir. But, I am still on the way. Say I'm gonna reach there currently at 10:20. When I first left, it was about like 10:30 overall before I even picked that up the first time. But I do gotta get on the conduit or whatever, so I probably cut it down a little bit more. Cause I told him I was gonna be like 15 late, so I'm gonna try to keep to that and just get there at 10:15. I'm gonna pick y'all boys up in a second though. Alright, I had to pick y'all up real quick. I ain't get on the conduit yet, but I did spot another M440 in front of this Jeep. Yo, this truck is too close to me. I do hope that he's fake going the same route. Feel me? Get a little content in. But he is up there. Feel me? Up there, he moving a little bit, but hopefully he going to the right. See what's going on, he or she. Up here a little bit. Oh, twin them, y'all. The Florida place. Damn, nigga in a fishbowl. Nah, nigga up on the wheel. What the fuck? Never mind. Grown ass man sitting up on the steering wheel. What's going on? I don't know. Is y'all jacking that? It's two of them too. He got brown interior though. That shit tough. That nigga up on the wheel too much though. Never mind. I thought I was gonna get a little action for y'all, but that's a old head. So yeah, I'll pick y'all up in a second. I did get here a few minutes ago. It's 10:22 right now. I just wanted to check out like a sound. Like, I don't know, I was hearing some weird shit. It's not nothing crazy, like literally like a little ass sound that happens like occasionally, but I just want to make sure everything Gucci. So we are, again, let me wipe that for y'all. We are at Autotech pit stop. Feel me? Bro in the cut right now. He helping somebody right now. We just gonna go on a test drive in a second. So I'm just waiting for him to get done with that car that's in there right now. Go on a test drive, see what's going on, and we're gonna come back to the shop, lift the car, and see what's really going on. We'll get back to you in a second though. Once I get a little update and things of that nature, I'll probably be on a test drive. I currently in the weight room. Just now went on a test drive with the boys. Like you're saying, it may be like a front strut loose or some shit like that. I don't know. Feel me? It could have been me. I don't know. It could have been a pothole. I definitely wasn't hearing that when I first got the car at all. You know, niggas do be digging it sometimes. Try to make them a little maneuver. End up in a pothole real quick. You be like, fuck. Feel me? So it definitely probably was me. But it don't sound crazy or nothing. It literally is just like a slight little sound. But they was telling me like my warranty should cover it. I do got warranty through BMW and through my credit union for the next couple years, so I am sturdy on that if anything. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know in a second. We back. I just now left Autotech. Basically what they were telling me is it's the front strut on my my passenger side. That shit is basically cooked. Like, the car is still drivable, obviously. You know, I still be maneuvering and whatnot. But basically, yeah, they say that the shit is cooked. So, like, whenever I go over, like, a little bump or some shit, not every single time, but I'll hear, like, a little, slight, like, a little sound or some shit. It's not no loud, crazy shit, but it definitely is there. So, we looked at the car and everything. That side is cooked, basically, I guess. The rears are perfectly fine. I guess the rears got some extra protective plastic on it, so the rears are perfectly fine. The front passenger side is cooked, and then the front driver side, it's not perfect, but it's good. Like, there's nothing wrong with it for the most part. But the option that they gave me were, obviously, you know, you go through warranty if the warranty covers it. So I'm gonna definitely reach out to my credit union and to BMW and see if it's covered. I know that most places, like most warranties, don't cover regular wear and tear. But, you know, sometimes niggas got other shit in the contract. I gotta go look over my shit and see. But I'm gonna reach out, see what's going on. The second option, I get coilovers, they were saying, and basically, like, that'll help me lower the car. So, honestly, if I can't go through warranty, I don't mind paying out of pocket for the coilovers, because that'll help me replace everything. I'll get a full set of everything for, like, the struts and things of that nature. So everything will be brand new, and then the car will also be lower, so it'll look better. So obviously that's a win. They told me it'd probably be around like 800-900, so let's just call it a ban. I like to round shit off. Taxi, catch the nigga could have been went through that shit, bro. I hate niggas. Yeah, so the coilovers would definitely be a win for me, honestly, even though it's out of pocket. You know, like, it is what it is. I wouldn't mind paying that for my car to be lowered, which I did want to do overall, regardless. And then to obviously replace the shit and make sure the car is in great condition. You know, it's a win-win overall for me. He just did some crazy shit, or, yeah, because the light is definitely red. But, yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all up in a second. I am headed to the dealer right now, actually. So, yeah, I'll let y'all know in a second about some other shit. What's good, y'all? Back, give y'all a little cut up action. You know what I mean? A little action real quick. This nigga in both lanes. What's this right here? What did I spot? What's this? What's this in front of me, y'all? Oh, my brethren. It's another M440. It's another M440, y'all. You see what he trying to do? He ain't trying to do nothing? Nigga ain't trying to do nothing, y'all. Oh, he in a Grand Coupe. That shit is slow. I ain't gonna front. Fuck it. Ain't trying to have no fun. Oh, yo, wicked potholes in this fucking town, bro. There's no action for y'all. Don't close the windows, though. I ain't gonna lie. Cause this windy ass shit, I ain't gonna front. I don't even know if I'm going the right way. I think I'm going to this side. I don't even know. I'm doing nut shit. Yeah, I think I'm sturdy on this side. I got the sound off for my GPS shit. I should be interrupting my music. I don't like that. But I'll probably pick y'all up in a little bit. Just wanted to give y'all a little extra footage so y'all can see what's going on for real. Feel me? Don't think niggas don't know how to drive behind a toy, you heard? You know what I mean? Just wait till niggas tuned and all that, though. Should have slowed down. Tried to get a little tunnel action. That shit was late though. It's that ass rain. It wasn't supposed to rain today, y'all. That's the crazy thing about it. It was not supposed to rain at all. My son trying to move in a big body. Let me put this shit on. Little POV for y'all. What's this? GT? Got a little GT. Looks like it's matte blue. Shit decent. It's that decent now. Shit's 30. I'm being hoe. Yo, it wasn't even raining much where I was just now at. Like, where did all this come from? It's probably because of the fucking trees. It's like mad water dripping off the trees. I'm already knowing. Now, this shit dead popping a lot. I just wish y'all could hear this shit more. But the shit is, I don't got no downpipe and shit right now. Feel me? Everything's still stock. But nah. Wait. Just wait. And then the rain making like the sounds worse because the ground wet and everybody driving and shit like that. And then if I roll up the window, it's gonna get even more quiet. Alright, it's a new day. As always, we are currently at the gas station. This was outside last night, and I killed my tank in one video, basically. Video dropping soon, but yeah, I killed my tank, the Mundem. Literally had almost a full tank, and now my shit is at like a quarter, so I'll probably pay around like 35, 36, I don't know. I'll see where they stop at. Also, they just now get a cut, feel me? So I got a cut looking decent, feel me? It's raining today, because I don't climb a tire, feel me? Just doing some all black bullshit. But this shit's still going. What the fuck? I'm tweet? I'm about to say. Shit went like $5 over what I thought. But, so y'all drip that out, y'all. Make sure I drip that out. I mean, you don't need nothing spilling. Nothing. Gotta play with it. Alright. That back where it belongs. Close that. I want my receipt. Clerk gonna have that. I don't know why the machines be asking that shit. Niggas really be like, yo, if you want a receipt, and then force you to walk inside to get the receipt instead of just giving me the receipt. Like, come on, bro. Let me get a snack though, I guess. How you doing? What was it, the Jolly Rancher shits I had last time? Shit was actually pretty decent. What was that? These shits right here. These shits was not bad at all. Hey, some lady walked in the spot, and I didn't want to make her nervous. But, I mean, got the gummies. Pay like 40 something. Nigga still need a car wash. I'm not gonna lie, look at this shit. We need a wicked wash. Yo, true shit, why we here? I think I gotta take these bullshits off my thing, like no cap. Feel me? To show the full cream interior the whole time. But it's alright. Let me throw the receipt in there real quick. If you got a little startup. Ooh. I'll pull off from here. I'm gonna give y'all a little pull in a second. Hold on. Nah, chat. Before I even pull off, yo, this is. Do this shit say the. Yo, look at the time on this. 11:45 p.m. That was yesterday, right? The pump was bullshitting, so it only took 20. And I was at like basically a full tank. Not, what the fuck? I was at basically a full tank, not a full tank. The pump was tweaking. I was like, fuck it. Now we come today, and we are at, hold on. We are at 41, right? Look at the time. Again. Yo, this is not even full 24 hours, bro. Like, what's going on? Why am I at the gas station twice? Now, I just had to show y'all that real quick, and I seen the other receipt. I'm like, nah, what? But yo, I'm gonna give y'all a little pull in a second, man. Hold on. My fault, chat. Y'all ain't even get that poll from earlier. I ain't gonna lie, off the gas station, I had something to do, and it was mad traffic. So I was like, F it. But, you know what I mean? I got y'all right now. Got a little light. Where the tank at? The tank is at $1.65 right now. I mean, calm. Let me see, I'm gonna drive slow on purpose a little bit. Create a little space. About to bust this right though. Nigga just crossing. Do your thing, G. Pick up your head, gang. Quick little 1-2 for y'all. Niggas about to bop and target though. You know what? Might as well just keep this shit rolling, right? I was fake bugging just now. It's alright though. That nigga do need to pick his head up. Nigga crossing diagonal. How you do that? Like, how you do that, gang? Niggas start bugging. No extra footage for y'all though. My seat just now. Fuck it. It's alright. Y'all be driving in here, niggas be like, yo, you be bugging. Let me show y'all what I do, right? I'll zoom up. By the time I get the corner, nigga, I'm already, like, I'm not even moving no more. I don't take a corner quick at all, gang. Gotta be cautious, feel me? Niggas just hear me when I'm driving. That's really all it be. Feel me? But by the time I hit the corner, I'm moving slow. You know what I mean? Gotta just pay attention for real. Like, look, it's a V over here. Maneuvering. Let him do his thing and I'm out of here. Wait, regular. Heads turned in. nigga with his son. Nigga scared. It's alright, gang. One of them here today. Alright. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all. I'm about to go grab something real quick, man. Alright, y'all. So y'all see outside I came to Target, right? Like, I come upstairs. And this lady's parking next to me. If you ask me why, I don't know. We got spots over here, over here. I was talking to bro and his shit. There's a bunch of spots, right? She's parking specifically next to my shit. Could have parked in the corner, right? Sides. You know, it's a lot of spots. You know, I don't know. Am I bugging y'all? Like, am I bugging? Y'all see what's going on, right? Like, I see this, right? I see all of this. A bunch down there. I see what's going on. Why? If you ask me, I don't know. I'm talking to bro, and I'm like, she's about to back him. Like, why? I don't get it, bro. I want to finish speaking of bro. I let it rock because it's not too close. Again, they didn't have to park next to me, but you know I could clearly walk through here and get to my doors and everything of that nature. You know, she didn't park on the close side. She parked to the other side. So it's alright, I guess. You know what I mean? It's alright, man. Oh. Alright, we're back in the beast, man. Alright, chat. Allow us to be the end of this one. Feel me? I'm gonna catch y'all boys. Easy. Goes out.